Chevrolet doesn't have anything that can go toe-to-toe with the Ram 1500 TRX and Ford F-150 Raptor R, but Speciality Vehicle Engineering's SVE new supercharger kits for the 2024 Yenko/SC Silverado 1500 changes all that. It's one of several new products introduced by the tuner recently, after the 1,500 horsepower Yenko/SC Camaro was revealed earlier this month. Available for multiple Silverado configurations, the Yenko/SC treatment unleashes 700 horsepower from the 5.3-liter V8 and 800 horsepower from the larger 6.2-liter V8. Those are whopping increases of 97% and 90%, respectively, compared to the stock V8's outputs in Chevy's full-size pickup. In the case of the supercharged 6.2L model, it's easily more potent than the TRX, 702 horsepower, and Raptor R, 700 horsepower. Besides the dramatic increase in performance, the truck gets a thorough aesthetic overhaul depending on whether you choose the Yenko/SC Silverado Lowered or off-road version. The former is perfect for everyday street use, while the latter means you can still take your supercharged Silverado off-road. Before we delve into the styling details, let's look at how SVE dialed up the horsepower. The package includes a blueprint aluminum block, upgraded cylinder heads, and the company's own high-output supercharger assembly. The race-quality rotating assembly is computer-balanced and includes a forged 1538 MV twisted steel crankshaft and forged aluminum pistons. The stainless steel exhaust is also a custom system but requires the dual exhaust from the factory as a starting point. To solve the issue of sudden, nonlinear boost that makes smooth progress more challenging, SVE uses a boost-by-wire control system that gradually increases the supercharger boost as the accelerator pedal is depressed. Although SVE has made no performance claims, it does suggest that the Yenko could easily qualify as the quickest 2024 limited production full-size pickup truck in the world. SVE says a 91 or 93 octane gas calibration is available, and we're sure this will be one of the quickest trucks on the planet. The lowered upgrade is available on 2024 Silverados with both rear or four-wheel drive, double or crew cabs, and LT, LTZ, RST, and high country trims. Both short and regular bed sizes qualify, too. On the lowered truck, the Silverado is dropped by 2 inches in front and 5 inches at the back. The setup includes front/rear Fox performance shocks. Other available visual upgrades include front grille bars finished in the body color, Yenko/SC side stripe graphics, and 22-inch wheels, with gunmetal, satin black, or satin black with red stripe finishes. There are multiple stripe graphic colors like yellow, hugger orange, and red so that you can create some really striking combinations with the primary body color. Quite simply, there's no chance of this being mistaken for a standard Silverado. The off-road version is offered for four-wheel drive LTZ, RST, ZR2, LT Trail Boss, and Z71 trims. Short or long beds qualify, besides the ZR2, which sticks with the short bed exclusively. The Yenko/SC Off-Road stands taller on 12-spoke wheels and chunkier Nitto off-road performance tires. Larger diameter tires are available if the optional BDS 4-inch lift kit is equipped. This particular model has Yenko off-road graphics on the side in various colors and can be had with sport bar-mounted LED lights or an LED light bar. Inside, there are SVE embroidered front headrests, with off-road branding added on the off-road model, Yenko Crest supercharged embroidered front floor mats, and a Yenko Crest supercharged power badge with the vehicle build number. Only 100 Yenko/SC Silverado trucks will be offered, including both lowered and off-road variants. Pricing is unknown, but the substantial power bump and many other extras won't come cheaply.